Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily do a screen calibration on your Pocketbook Inkpad Color. So first, head over to Apps, and now go to Settings. Here, select the Maintenance, and after you do that, click on Screen Calibration. Now, as you guys can see here, we cannot touch the screen during the calibration because it will collide with what it does. So, now click continue and do not touch the screen. And as you guys can see, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.